Welcome to a tutorial on how to play console games on your PC by Wordx8. I'm going to show you how to set up the N64 emulator, but the process is very similar for all the other emulators, such as for Atari, Xbox, and so forth. The first thing you need to do is download an emulator. I'm just showing you one site, but if you Google search console system emulators, stuff like that, you'll be able to find other emulators that you would want. The one I'm showing is emulator/zone.com. That link is under the video description box, so you can just click it there. And once you open up the page, on the left hand side there's a bunch of emulators. So whatever emulator you want, you can just click it. I'm going to show you the N64 emulator. And if you scroll down, they're all the same. All the links on the side are the same. What they do is they have under emulators, they have all the emulators, and just look at the right hand side and it has the rating, and so they're rated in terms of how good they are. And so Project 64 in this case is rated the best, so obviously you want the best emulator possible. So just click it, scroll down to the bottom and click the link at the bottom that says Project 64 1.6 and just save file. It's the same, you do the same thing basically for all the other emulators, same process. And once you download it, just click the link, just click the installation executable, and it will install itself, and just hit next, install. And then once it's done, you can launch it if you want. And English. So here's the emulator right now. You have a bunch of different options. What you need to do is you need to open the games as ROMs. So right off the bat, you're going to need to download a game to actually play the game. So I'm going to go find one. The best way to find a ROM is just by Google searching a specific one. So for instance, 007 N64 ROM. So what you want to do is, depending on the system you're using, so for instance N64 uses ROM, different systems will use different files, so just make sure it's something relating to the title, then the system, then the file you're searching, something like that. And then, so in my case, 007 N64 ROM, I just Google search that, click a link, you can download it from there. A lot of these sites make you wait to download it, just so you can click ads. So just wait, and then after you wait, you can just click the link and it'll download it. So after you download it, in many cases it's a zip, and you have to unzip it. So I'll just drag it to my desktop. So this right here is GoldenEye. I downloaded GoldenEye and Rampage. So just drag them out so you can see the they're saved as .z64 is what the ROMs are. So once you do that, just open up the Project 64 and you do File, Open ROM, and you find where the ROM is. So in my case, GoldenEye, it's in the desktop. And then it starts playing it. In the bottom right hand corner, it shows you how much frames per second you're getting. So that could be useful if you want it. And that's basically it. All the games are functional, unless there's some glitches with the emulator, and you could play GoldenEye or whatever other game you can find. So you can Rampage. Sort of interesting. Play all the games instead of buying them. That's about it.